And they have a window here. Look at their window. But it's just that the roof, guys, is like closer. Closer to your head. It's not really high roof.
Nice place. I mean, if you have many plants, you can put them outside like that. Here.
There's also a water there.
Yeah.
Isarado na na diha na.
Yeah, plus.
Ay, ilang.
You always run cold out.
How much is per month this one, te?
15,000 per month.
15,000 per month for this one, guys. And it has 2 rooms. One for like a store or a sari-sari store if you're planning to make a business. So that's the area here at the other side, which is included in this 15,000 per month here in the Sibulan near the airport.
Two side by side with the jogging.
This one go here.
Yeah, it would work, except that I'd rather be where we're at now.
And they sell here rice candy and clock.
We can use the big fridge that you have, tell me. We can make an ice candy in there and make a Graham ice cream bar and sell it here, which is good business. A lot of good idea. So, we're going to include the front area. This one is the front area. We're going to take a look here. So this is it. This one is for the store. That one. If you're planning to make it, turn it into a sari-sari store, which is really good, guys, because here in the Philippines, it's nice to have a business which is the sari-sari store. You know, yeah. So this is a good opportunity for you. 15,000 only, guys. If you are going to plan to rent here, then just message me down below in the comment section for more information that I could share. So this is the place here. There's a lot of neighborhood. Like that.
Yeah, it would be good for.
And the water meter is here.
If someone just flew in here, they could rent it.
That there is the water meter. So yes, it's nice. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. And that's what we got for today's video. So thank you for watching and see you again for the next video. Bye for now.